Hello everyone, I'm back with another video and today we'll be discussing some basic general knowledge of our country, India. Hope you all enjoy and gain new knowledge. I will be discussing in brief about Prime Minister, President, then we'll move forward to states, union territories and capitals and many more like official language, largest city, smallest city, national bird, animal and more. Starting off with a brief knowledge about our country India. Our country, Republic of India, is located in South Asia. It is the seventh largest country by area. It is also the second most populous country in the world, with more than 133 crore of population. Amazing, right? 133 crores. Okay. It is located in South Asia and was officially declared the Republic of India after its independence from British rule. It is surrounded by oceans from the three sides, such as Bay of Bengal in the east, the Arabian Sea in the west, and the Indian Ocean in the south. People of many religions, caste, culture, and traditions live together with unity. Now, talking about our Prime Minister, Narendra Modi. His full name is actually Narendra Damodar Das Modi, and he is the 14th and current Prime Minister of India since 2014. He was the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014 and is the Member of Parliament of Varanasi. Modi is a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party and its National Democratic Alliance. Now, talking about our President, Ramnath Kovind. He is the ceremonial head of state of India and the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Armed Forces. Ramnath Kovind is the 14th and current president. Now moving to the capitals of states. There are actually 8 union territories now, but here Jammu and Kashmir isn't marked in this map. But anyways, I'll be telling you the capitals of the states alphabetical order in alphabetical order. So starting with Andhra Pradesh, the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. Then Arunachal Pradesh, the capital is Itanagar. Assam, for Assam the capital is Dispur. Bihar, it's Patna. Chhattisgarh, it's Raipur. Goa, it's Panaji. Gujarat, it's Gandhinagar. Haryana, it's Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, it's Shimla. Jharkhand, it's Ranchi. Karnataka, it's Bengaluru. Kerala, it's Trivandrum. It's actually pronounced as Trivandrum. Then Madhya Pradesh, it's Bhopal. Maharashtra, it's Mumbai. For Manipur, it's Imphal. Meghalaya, it's Shillong. Mizoram, it's Aizawl. Nagaland, it's Kohima. Odisha, it's Bhubaneswar. Punjab, it's Chandigarh. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Telangana, Hyderabad. Tripura, Agratala. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. West Bengal, Kolkata. And talking about our union territories, Andaman and Nicobar Island, it's Port Blair. Chandigarh, it's Chandigarh. Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, it's Daman. Delhi, it's New Delhi. Jammu and Kashmir it's Srinagar. Lakshadweep, it's Kavarati. Puducherry, it's Pondicherry. Ladakh, it's Leh. Now, I'll be talking some interesting points from here on, so just pay attention. And talking about the capital of India, it's New Delhi. Then the official language, which is most spoken in India, is it's Hindi. And the total recognized language in India is 22. If we include English, it's 23. Here are few, I have noted down all the 22 languages which are spoken in India, and I would like to know yours for sure. So some of them are Assamese, Bengali, Bodo. Actually, if you see, there aren't only these much, but there are much more languages in like small districts. Anyways, moving forward, the largest state of India, it's Rajasthan. Smallest state, it's Goa. National park. Okay, so the total number of national park in India is 1 or 3, which is kind of huge. And also wildlife sanctuaries, it's 441. The largest city of India, it's Mumbai. And of course, you must know the calling code for India, which is +91. And here is the national motto of Satyamev, which is Satyamev Jayate. And I kind of get this powerful vibe whenever I see this symbol. I don't know why, but actually, it's a good thing. Moving forward to the national song of India, it's Vande Mataram, and national anthem, it's Jan Gan Man. The currency is Indian rupees, which you must know. And then the national bird of India, it's Indian peacock. The national flower, it's lotus. National tree, it's banyan tree, which gives me a haunted vibe sometimes whenever I'm around it, but then again it is what it is. So national river, it's the Ganga. National aquatic animal is river dolphin. Then heritage animal, it's elephant. Animal, like national animal, it's tiger. National fruit is mango. And last but not the least, the national vegetable is pumpkin. So thank you everyone. Hope you all enjoyed. Do like, share and comment.